O Lord, we bow with hearts so still to seek your grace, to know your will. Two lives begin this journey now. With love and faith they make this vow. Through changing days and passing years, through times of joy and times of tears, stay in their home, their hearts, their way, and be their light in night and day. A prayer for forever we lift to you, to bind their hearts in all they do. Let love remain and never fade, a sacred bond your hands have made. Two lives begin this journey